I worked in the pharmaceutical industry for almost 3 decades. And when I was working in the industry, I realized that there are many pharmaceutical products which are available in the USA market and European market, but they are not available in the Indian market for Indian patient, whereas these were very well indicated for the Indian patient. At that was the time I thought that there has to be some company who can provide legal access of those products to the Indian patient. So that was the idea behind forming this company, and we started this company in 2014.
If you look at the data, there are over 2 million patients who are in search of life-saving medicines, and we at Ikris Pharma Network are really working very hard to provide them the medicines which are not available in their home country.
India, as far as a country we are concerned, we are providing generic medicine throughout the world.
It's true that rare diseases have often been overlooked by healthcare organizations, drug developers, and government bodies. But let's remember, rare diseases are not rare when considered collectively. As our global population grows, so does the prevalence of these conditions, which is a matter of concern and compassion.
With the passing of time, we expanded our services to export of generic medicines, rare diseases, and clinical trial sourcing services. We care about our end customers, and we go off limit to provide them drugs which is unavailable in a particular region, because we believe that geographical boundaries should not let any patient be deprived or having access to required medicines.
But there has been some challenges and roadblocks in this journey. We were good enough to handle those challenges and overcome the obstacles. There has been geographical barriers, logistic barriers, and regulatory barriers. But we have overcome all those barriers. And it's just not about delivering the medicines. It's about making a change in patients and life so that the quality of life improves.
It deeply touches us to see patients with rare diseases facing challenges in accessing the treatment and checkups they need, especially in the early stages of their journey. At Ikris Pharma Network, we are driven by a heartfelt desire to make a positive impact in their lives.
And when we get the feedback from them, it's a kind of music for us that people are changing, their life is changing, and their quality of life is increasing. So that is the main work at Ikris Pharma Network, that we want to transform life and bring a change in their life so that there is a new urge of developments.
India is a capital of generic medicine, and we are the only country outside USA having maximum number of USA FDA approved manufacturing plant in the country. And in case if world is able to access generic medicine, in case if developed country as well as other developing countries are able to access medicine, it is because of the development which has taken place in the country, in India.
Our mission is to raise awareness and provide timely access medications for rare diseases.
In this time also, there are many patients, especially in low middle income countries, need access to medicines at affordable prices. And such medications is not accessible due to certain circumstances. Ikris saw this gap and laid its foundation to transform life through networking.
We are providing many services to the patient as well as pharmaceutical companies in India. What we are doing, we are providing name patient medicine to the Indian patient. We are exporting Indian generic medicine to the other countries. We are providing RLD, that's a reference listed drug, to the Indian manufacturer in the country.